first time I ever cut one open on the side like that, to be honest with you. Never done it. Never, ever have I done that before. But it will show you how they go together. It will definitely show you how to go together. Look at that little strip. Strip over here. Looks like the top one's on the other side. Over here. Look at that. So what happens is, if it's together like it is, what you end up doing is trying to pull out this piece out through the copper like that, and then you'll do the same thing on the other side and you'll cut it through the copper, push it through. That can obviously be a bear too. Oh yeah, big old chunk coming out. Yeah. There it is. Yes, sir. That was like that. It's layered like this. One comes that way with a piece in between. One comes this way with a piece in between. This way, and on until it's done. Just like that, and then back. That's how you take them off normally. If you didn't cut it like I did, that'd be the normal way. Son of a biscuit. Owie. You can just knock them out. That's going to be great. I got copper all over the floor. All over the floor. That thing should be ready to pop out of there. If it wasn't hitting the bottom, the thing is bottomed out. Here we go. Handful of number 2. Let's see what we got. We got 0, 0, yes. 0. 2.1 pounds. 4.7 pounds total copper weight in that one, and then heavy metal. All right, everybody, thank you for stopping by. Looks like I might have got a little bit of dirty on me today. had a good day scrapping. Hope you did, and God bless you wherever you're at. And till next time, what's next? What's next? What's next? Scrapping with Grandpa. You never know.